Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and if you never want to miss another leg day, then check out this lower body machine from ANICZON. Something that we love about this machine is just how many different exercises we can do. This one machine allows us to do leg curls, reverse leg curls, glute bridges. We can even focus on single leg curls. By simply adjusting the seat or the pins, we're able to really target or focus on one part of our leg. I'm 5'3" and my husband is 6 foot, and we were both easily able to use this machine. Something to keep in mind is that this machine does not come fully assembled. So whatever room or area in your home that you want this is where you'll want to set it up. Now, my husband and I chose to work together as a team and assemble it a little bit at a time over the course of a couple days. This definitely can be a quicker setup. We would recommend that you follow and watch the video that they have online. It definitely helped with assembly. This machine is made of quality and sturdy material. We don't find that this is bouncing around. Something to keep in mind is that this does not come with weights, so you'll want to make sure that you have the appropriate weights to fit the bars. The material that's on the seat is breathable and smooth. The seat is definitely comfortable, and I think it's great that it comes with handles which allow for great positioning, great gripping, and something to really hold on to keep you stable. The more you use this machine, the more comfortable you'll get with the different settings and the variety of workouts you can do. This would make a great addition to a home gym. So whether you're looking to tone your legs or strengthen your legs, I think you'll be highly impressed with this machine. And that's my point of view.